Are you ready to embark on a journey of imagination and discovery? Introducing Bookgrove, your gateway to enhanced reading comprehension and creative writing. At Bookgrove, we believe that reading is more than just words on a page. It's a doorway to new worlds, a passport to boundless knowledge, and a catalyst for personal growth. Whether you're a student looking to excel in academics or an aspiring writer yearning to unleash your creativity, Bookgrove is here to support you every step of the way. Our innovative reading comprehension program is designed to sharpen your analytical skills, improve critical thinking, and deepen your understanding of complex texts. Through engaging lessons and interactive exercises, you'll develop the ability to extract meaning, draw connections, and become an astute reader. But it doesn't stop there. Bookgrove also nurtures your creative spirit. Our dynamic creative writing curriculum empowers you to express your thoughts with captivating narratives and discover your unique voice as a writer. Through guided writing exercises, workshops, and personalized feedback, our experienced instructors will unlock your potential and ignite your passion for storytelling. Imagine the pride you'll feel as your child's confidence soars and their creativity flourishes with Bookgrove by their side. Bookgrove, where reading comprehension and creative writing blossom into lifelong skills. Enroll today and embark on a journey that will ignite your imagination and transform your literary prowess. Bookgrove, unleash the power of words.